I basically oversee pretty much everything related to our RPA project for internal Leidos, from evaluating bot requests that come in to see if they're a good fit for RPA, or is there another better solution, non-RPA related, to help out the customer, helping them get through the approval process to actually become a RPA bot project. Train, practice. Hands-on is always better than just sitting there looking at a video. I tell that to all of my new citizen developers that are coming on. Take the training with a grain of salt. Practice in our lab environment. The quickest way you're going to learn and pick it up is actually doing it versus, watching somebody on a video. We have bi-weekly workshops internally, whether it's from a citizen developer point of view or just a general RPA team point of view, where we talk about, issues, people highlight their bots that they've done, special topics of, let's say, hey, we got a new API, this is how you use it, and kind of walk it through, or Python scripts, or whatever the case may be. So we do that on a bi-weekly basis. And it's been very useful, especially for the citizen developers, the new people coming up, of, hey, I didn't even know that existed. Oh, I didn't even know you could do that kind of stuff. So that's been very beneficial for us. And then we also have a monthly COE meeting where my boss is kind of the chair. And then we, have different topics, whether it's, what's new with Automation Anywhere coming down the pipe kind of thing, generative AI or the new release and what the enhancements are, that kind of stuff. How do we grow the automation program that me and my boss started? We started from scratch, and where we're at today is how can we expand that even more, right? Obviously, AI and ML and chatbots and all that stuff is on the horizon, and that eventually get here. But how can we get there in the next year and a half, right? And actually produce something that's, beneficial, and, we can go up to management and say, hey, yes, we got this done. It may not be the final product, but at least we got something out there so that we can offer something to somebody else. From a automation point of view, that's kind of what we're looking. How do we get there in the next year, right? If I can get people to where they need to go, whether it's, not on our program to some other program where they're, a step up to a management level, great, I'll help them do that. Our biggest thing about growing the program right now is citizen developer. We're trying to re-energize that program. But there's other roles we're creating for the, quote, citizen developer, not just sitting there doing the code. Maybe you could do the process architect work for your particular group and get the process maps done. Or maybe you can be the one that helps solicit automation ideas for your particular group. So, there's a couple other roles we're coming up with to kind of help out that whole citizen developer umbrella. So, yeah. You may not have the skills to actually sit there and do the code, but maybe you're great in Visio, maybe you're great here, and maybe you can help out there, and you still, can get the benefit of, hey, I contributed to, the automation of my particular group.